Yeah, children, today we'll discuss 13.2 exercise. We'll discuss 13.1. Children will discuss 13.2 exercise, page number 2169 first. Okay, so surface areas and volume. Children, in this we will study about the cylinders, children. So what will be a cylinder? This is cylinder, children. This is cylinder. Okay, and in cylinders, children, this is called this surface. This is called CSA. This is called CSA. What is the CSA of cylinder? 2 pi RH. Okay, in cylinder, this plus top surface and bottom surface is equal to TSA. This is equal to TSA. TSA means what, children? CSA plus here one area, two areas of circles. What is the CSA of cylinder? 2 pi RH. And circle area of circle, anyone? Pi r square. Pi r square plus pi r square, how much, children? 2 pi r square. So 2 pi r into h plus r is the TSA. And the volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. Okay, this is pi r square into h. This is pi r square into h gives the volume. So children, this is about the cylinder, children. We will be seeing the sums on the cylinder, children. We will complete the exercise. All of you, please kindly cooperate with me, children. First sum. Whomever I am asking, they should say, children. Compulsory, they should say. Tanmay, are you there?
Yes, sir.
See, now this is a cylinder. This is a cylinder. Okay, height 14 centimeters. Height 14 centimeters. The CSA is given as 88 centimeters square. Is asking find the diameter. Which indirectly is asking find the radius. Tell me what is the CSA cylinder formula?
CSA equals to 2 pi RH.
CSA is equal to
88,
88 is
88
equal to
equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into R into 14.
okay, 7 to the 14, 22 to the 44, 44 to the
44.
88.
88.
88. Radius is equal to 1 centimeter and diameter is equal to 2r, that is 2 centimeters. Second question. It is required to make a closed cylindrical tank. Children, closed cylindrical tank means TSA, compulsory TSA. Closed cylindrical tank means this is CSA and this is closed means compulsory you should take TSA. Closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter. Of height 1 meter and the diameter is 140 centimeters. Diameter is 140 centimeters. Question is how much square meters of metal is required? Okay, Tekshita, are you there? Tekshita? Next, Lahari.
2 pi r into r plus h.
2 pi r into r plus h. Yeah, tell me
2 into 22 by 7 into
22 by 7 into
70 into
70 into
70 plus 1.
70 plus 100. 1 meter is 100 centimeters.
100.
Okay, 7 tens. Yeah. This is how much?
440
into
170.
Okay. So how much is it? 17 for the 68. 68, 74. 748, 00.
74,800.
7 centimeters square. Okay, children, if you want to convert centimeter square to meter square, what you should do, children?
By 10,000.
By 10,000. So this gone 7.48 meter square is area of metal sheet required to make this closed cylindrical tank. Compulsory you should write the statement. Statement is very important. Okay, children, Srihita, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Srihita, this is like this. This is like this. Mute your audios, all of you. A metal pipe is there, 77 centimeter long, and the inner diameter is yeah, children, inner diameter means like this you should draw. So children, inner diameter is how much, children? The inner diameter is 4 centimeters and the outer diameter is 4.4 centimeters. Question is find inner CSA. See the inner CSA. 2 pi small r h. Nana, Srihita, tell.
Yes, sir.
Tell substitution. 2
2 into 22 by 7 into 4.
4 by 2 is 2.
2 into 77.
So 7 11s.
11s are 88
What?
in
88 into
11.
So how much?
968
968 centimeter
centimeter
square
square.
is
968.
inner
Inner
CSA.
CSA.
Inner CSA. Next. Nandika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Tell me outer CSA.
Sir, a CSA, outer CSA is equal to 2 pi capital RH.
Yes.
Two
Small
into-
r means inner radius. Big R means outer radius.
Outer radius.
Ah.
2 into 22 by 7 into 2 into
2.2.
into 2.2 into 77.
7.
So 11, sir.
22, 20, 48.
48.4 into 11.
48.4 into 2 into 11.
Sir, 1064.8.
1064.8 centimeters square. Thank you, children. So now TSA. Who will tell how to find TSA? Next, Vivek, tell how to find TSA.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, who want to say? Yashasvi.
Sir, can I say?
Nandika, you continue.
The TSA is equal to inner surface, inner area CSA plus
Plus
outer CSA
plus
Area.
plus area.
which area?
So that
Up, down, upper ring, down ring.
downer. Okay, sir.
The upper ring, down ring. So 2 rings.
2 rings. Okay.
What is a ring? By big circle minus small circle.
Big circle minus small circle.
What is a ring? Big circle
Big circle
minus.
minus small circle.
So tell me TSA now. TSA. Inner
968
TSA is
968 plus 1064.8
0.8 plus 2
Plus-
pi bigger square minus smaller square.
okay.
See, this
So
is
9.
one ring. This is
One
one ring. Into two rings.
rings.
Up and down. Yeah, tell me.
Okay.
The only we'll find out this. Later we'll add this both.
Okay. Sir.
Only find out
2
here.
into 22 by 7 into 2.2 whole square minus 2 whole square.
Okay.
2 into 22 by 7 into
A plus B into A minus B. A plus B
A
is how
square.
much?
Sir, A plus B into A minus B.
A plus B is 4.2.
4.2
A minus B is 0.2.
minus 0 point into 0.2.
Okay, very good. 44 into 0.2.
44 into 0.2.
12 for the 48.
Sir,
5.28.
5.28.
So,
5.28 centimeters.
centimeters. So total is 968 plus 1064.8 plus 5.28.
Can anyone help me? This 5.28 plus 968 plus.
2038.08 centimeters.
How much?
20
Anyone? 2?
2038.08
2038.08
Is
centimeters.
centimeters.
TSA of
The
this
cylinder.
hollow cylinder.
Hollow cylinder.
Very good, children. Your people are really saying very nicely. Very good. Fantastic, children. So fourth subject. Okay, we'll see fourth subject. Okay. Fourth. Yashasvi, tell fourth sum.
Yes, sir.
So fourth sum is diameter of roller is 84 centimeters. There is a roller like this, whose diameter is 84 centimeters. This is roller. Roller is used to level the surfaces on the ground, and the length is how much? 120 centimeters. Length is nothing but height. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
in 500 revolutions, how much area it will cover? It's 1 revolution, 1 CSA. 1 revolution, 1 CSA. 1 revolution. Yes, 1 revolution, 1 CSA.
1 CSA.
1 revolution is 1 CSA.
Yes, sir.
500 revolutions is
500 CSA.
500 CSAs. Can you tell me 500 CSAs? 500 into CSA.
CSA.
So how much am I? 500 into
500 2 by RH. 500 into 2 into 22 by 7 into 42 into 120 centimeters.
Okay, 500 twos are
1000.
1000, and this is 132 into 120. Can anyone tell the calculations?
Then the answer is 15 lakhs.
15 lakhs,
84,000.
84,000,
That's it. 84,000.
84,000 centimeters square. Now, how to convert to meter
Sorry,
square?
sir.
100 into 100.
Sir, into one more zero is there, sir.
158440, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then why did you say 15 lakhs?
Are you sure?
Are you sure, Amma? Correct, huh?
Yes.
So this 4 zeros, this 4 zeros cancel. So answer is
1584
meters square. It covers in 500
500
rotations.
rotations.
500 rotations. Okay, children, next assumption. Okay, so next step. Sir, you are you there? Sir, you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell
Yes,
me
sir.
some. Cylindrical pillar is 50 centimeters in diameter. A cylindrical pillar is there. It is 50 centimeter in diameter and 3.5 meters is the height. 3.5 meters is the height. Find the cost of painting at the rate of 1250 per meter square. Cost of painting means CSA only will paint. Painting is done for CSA. CSA of cylinder.
2 pi RH.
Can you tell me substitution?
2 into 22 by 7 into 25 into 3.5.
3.5 twos are 2 to cancel. 50
550.
550 meter. Now 1 second, you check centimeters and meters. Any conversion I have to do here.
0.5 meters, no, sir.
This is centimeter. This is in meters, Amma.
So 35.
1 second.
350 centimeters.
So children, see here 2 into 22 by 7 into. This is 50 centimeters. This is into 100. If you do 350, you will get, children. Okay, so 750s, huh? So this is 100, 2200 into 50. How much 5 to the 10?
1 lakh 10,000.
1,10,000?
1,10,000, sir.
Centimeter square. Okay, convert into meter square because cost is in meter square. By 100 into 100. Just he has to paint 11 meters square. 1 meter square painting is 12 rupees 50 paisa. So 11 meters square is how much? So 1250 into 11. 052713750 rupees is cost of painting the pillar. 137.50 is the cost of painting the pillar. Okay, children, hope you understood. Next sum, sixth sum. Hansika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Please tell me sixth sum how to do. The CSA of cylinder is 4.4. CSA of cylinder is 4.4 meters square and radius is 0.7. Radius is 0.7. Find the height. Very, very, very easy question. Yeah, how to do?
CSA is equals to 2 pi RH.
CSA is equal to 2 pi RH. Yeah, they keep saying
4.4 is equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.7 into H.
Okay.
4.4 is equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 10 into H.
44, 44, 7, 7, 10, 10 cancel. Height is equal to 1 meter. 1 meter means how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. Next, Kruti, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, and radius is given in meters.
No.
CS and radius is given in meters only.
So this is all, no problem. Just I'm saying, no problem. I found out in meters only. I just converted. That's all. No problem. Yeah, Kruti, you tell me. This is like this. Kruti.
Yes, sir.
Inner diameter is 3.5 meter and 10 meter deep. Okay, what is this? This is the well. Find inner surface area cost. Yeah, find CSA. CSA is inner CSA. Inner CSA.
Inner CSA 2 pi smaller h.
Fantastic.
2 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 by 2 into 10.
Okay, 3.5 2s are 7, 2 to cancel, 2 11s are 11 10s are
110.
110 meters square is CSA of well. Now the cost of the painting, how much they gave? Plastering 40 rupees per meter square. 1 meter square is 40 rupees. So 110 meter square is how much rupees? Yama?
110 into 40 equals 4400.
It's cost of
2,400.
It's cost of
Painting the well.
plastering the well. No one will paint the well and plastering the well. Okay. Yeah, children. Next, we'll tell next.
I tell, sir.
We'll tell. We'll tell.
What can I say?
Sir, can I?
Can I say, sir?
What can I say?
Nana, wait, Nana, those who didn't get chance, boys didn't get chance only today. Not even a single one. Okay. Yeah, Vivek.
Sir,
So in the water heating system, there is a cylindrical pipe of length 25 meters.
28, sir.
28 meters length. Height or length is same. 28
Yes, sir.
meters is there, and the diameter is 5 centimeters.
5 centimeters.
This is meters, that is centimeters. No. Find the total
Yes, sir.
radiating surface. Heat will be radiated through CSA only. Am I correct?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
CSA,
2 pi RH.
tell me.
2 into 22 by 7 into 5 by 2. Sir, 5 centimeters and meters. Okay. 5 by 2 into 200. 280.
Okay.
2 cancel and 8 400.
32.
2 into
440.
440.
44000 centimeter square. Convert into meter square.
5000.
8,000.
10,000 by 10,000.
Squares.
4.4 meter square is the
Is the
heat radiating
heat radiating surface in the system.
surface in the system. Heat radiating surface is this much. Only from CSA it will come, children. From sides it won't come. From sides it won't come, children.
Sir, can you?
Yeah, who will tell it next?
Sir, Vikram.
Vikram, ready? So this lateral surface area is asking what is the lateral surface area of a cylinder which is 4.2 meter in diameter and 4.5 meters height. What is the CSA? Tell.
Sir, CSA is 2 pi RH equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 4.2 by 2 into 4.5.
Okay.
7 1 sir 7 6.
Okay. Keep saying. How much is that? 13.2 into 4.5. How much, children? Anyone?
59.4, sir.
59.4 meters square.
9.4.
Thank you, children. Thank you. You are telling very nice. Everyone are very nice. So, children, next question is in the same. How much tea was actually used if 1/12 is wasted? Children, 1/12 is wasted in making closed cylindrical. This is a closed cylindrical. 1/12 is wasted means 11/12 is used. Children, 1/12 is wasted means 11/12 is used. Am I correct, children?
Yes, sir.
1/12 is waste means 11/12 is used. Can anyone say if 2/7 is wasted, how much is used?
5 by 7.
5 by 7.
Yeah. Can anyone say if 3/4 is wasted, how much is used?
1 by
1 by
1
4.
by 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. If 1/90 is wasted, how much is used?
89.
89 by 90.
89 by 90 is used like that. So 1/12 is wasted means 11/12 is used. So 11/12 of TSA is equal to 2 pi r into r plus h. 11/12 of TSA is equal to 2 pi r into r plus h. Is asking how much steel was used. How much steel means TSA we should find out. 11/12 of TSA is used. So children, 11/12 into V is equal to
2 into 22 by 7 into 4.2 by 2 into the 2.1 plus 4.5.
okay.
7 1s are 7 0.6 are.
11 2s are 22. 12 will go up. So T is equal to 12 2s are 24. 0.6. This plus this is how much? 6.6. Can anyone help me? 6 4 24 6 2.
So 95.04.
95.04 meter square of steel is used in making closed cylindrical tank. This is a closed means TSA. Closed means TSA because this closed means. So 1/12 is wasted, so I took 11/12 is used. 1/12 is wasted, 11/12 is used. Be careful how I am doing. If you forget this sum, very, very dangerous. This like this sum only will come in exam. And last sum, children, next sum. Shenmok, are you there? Shenmok?
Can I say?
Shenmok, are you there? Rama, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, the students of Vidyalaya were asked to participate in a competition for making and decorating a pen holders in the shape of cylinder. Pen holders in the shape of cylinder. Each pen holder is of radius 3 meters, 3 centimeters, sorry, 3 centimeters, and height is 10.5 centimeters. Height is 10.5 centimeters. Okay, the Vidyalaya and there are 35 competitors were there. 35 competitors. How much cardboard is required? So CSA plus
1 year, sir.
base.
Base.
CSA plus
Base.
base. Rama, tell. So area is Rama. CSA plus
CSA plus 2 pi r.
yeah. CSA is how much?
2 pi r h plus 2 pi r.
Pi r square. Pi r you take common 2h plus r. Tell me substitution.
22 by 7 into 3 into
3 into
10
7 5s are 35 children. So 22 into 3 into 21 plus 3 24 into 5 66 into 5 4s are 21 20. Okay children. So 12 6 is 70.
79200.
7920 centimeter
920.
square.
7920 only, sir.
7920 centimeter square of cardboard is needed for 35 pen stands. 35 pen stands. So children here, this plus this. This is CSA. This is pi r square. Okay children, this is CSA. This is pi r square. How I did, you should understand. Okay children, next there was one more question. Go for the example. Example.
Sir, I'll say, sir, Neeraj. I didn't get
Yeah,
chance.
yeah, very good. Number 10. There is a kaleidoscope. There is a kaleidoscope like this. She wanted to make it kaleidoscope. How much chart paper is needed? The measurements are for her kaleidoscope. She used to make her CSC. What would the area of chart required? If length is 25 centimeters and radius is 3.5 centimeters. Yes, Nana, CSC how much?
CS 2 pi r h 27 25 into 3.5 into 5.
550.
Cancellation.
Area of
550 centimeters.
is needed to make the
Then
kaleidoscope.
550
Centimeter square of area is needed to make the kaleidoscope. That's it. So by this we have completed 13.2 also children successfully. Okay. We practice all the sums 2 times and submit as homework children. Okay, children. Anyone have any doubts children? You can ask me.